Hi, boy. What do you have? Wow. Those are the other two from the Legend of the Lost Treasure, huh? That looks like Ryan, and that looks like Treasure Thomas. Let's take a closer look, huh? Let's see. Let's look at Ryan first, huh? Wow. Okay. This is from the Legend of the Lost Treasure, and this is Ryan. He's a purple engine. That's a pretty cool color, purple. Yeah. The only difference we saw is that on the picture here, Ryan has purple wheels, but the actual toy has black wheels. Kind of wish they put the purple wheels on here because accent it a little bit and give it a cooler look. Yeah. Well, let's take a look at Treasure Thomas. Hey, he has a treasure in the back there. That looks like a pile of gold on his truck there. And he's got lots of treasure on him too. Okay. Well, we're gonna power these guys up, right? Yeah. And then we're gonna put batteries in there. Yep, power them up, and then we're gonna run it on this little mini track that we build to show you. And then we'll get going. Okay. See you guys in a little bit.
Boxes.
All right. Here goes. We have Ryan out of the box, and he's got batteries in there. Looks like he's got a couple of cargo trucks with him, and this box here too. So this is Ryan right here.
That is scratching paper.
And the instruction paper, yeah. And here's Thomas. Thomas has got treasure on there. And then his truck is full of gold coins and necklaces. And he's got a treasure chest, which I think we can open. Let's take a quick peek here. Let's open it up. Oh, yeah, there it goes.
What's that?
Treasure. It's a treasure chest that has gold coins and necklaces in there. Yeah. So we'll place it back on here. Alright, Connor. Do you want to move Ryan? You want to turn Ryan on?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see here. Let Ryan run. There goes Ryan. Over by the water tower. He's gonna go up the hill a little bit. And there he goes again. I like that color purple there. Ryan knocks it down. Alright. Ryan's gone around a couple of times. Now it's Thomas's turn. Why don't you turn Ryan off and take him off the track. And then we're going to put Thomas on the track. So Thomas can run around the track too. Looking at the treasure chest. See all the gold coins and necklaces in there? Yeah. Wow. Place it back on there. Okay. Well, here goes Thomas now. Thomas is going the other way. Go up to the little bridge there and down. All around to the water tower. And he's gonna knock those two down. And here comes Thomas. Thomas is going around the bend to the water tower. Set up those two things again, Connor. Those two orange things.
Yeah?
Yep. Fix those two orange things. Okay, so Thomas can knock it down. There he goes. Wow.
Sodor.
Uh-oh. Little sister's here.
Penguin
Uh-oh.
Thomas.
Yeah.
Dragon Thomas.
Oh, yeah.
Dragon Thomas.
Here goes Thomas. He's going around the track. Yeah. Well, these two new toys, Connor had Mike already, and we just got Treasure Thomas and Ryan. These are from the Legend of the Lost Treasure. So these are the characters from there. And then it's gonna be pretty cool. Now you can play all three of them together, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like all those treasure on Thomas. Yeah. Uh-oh. Naughty girl Zoe. Look at her. She's always up to no good. Yes. Hi, Zoe. Hi. Look at you taking all the instruction paper, huh? Okay, well, these are Connor's two new trains. I like them a lot. Especially the color purple on Ryan. That's pretty cool. Connor, you're already mixing all the trucks and the cargo up, huh? Yep, you are. You mix it all up. You're mixing Ryan's up with Thomas. You're putting the gold coins on Ryan. You're changing it up a little bit already, huh? It doesn't really fit though. They made it strictly for Thomas only. Okay, go ahead and run them both. Turn them both on.
This one?
Yeah, both of them, Thomas and Ryan. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Little baby sister. Naughty girl. Okay, turn them on. Go ahead, turn them both on.
Those are feet.
Oh, hey Zoe. Move your feet, girly. Girly, move your feet, please. Silly girl. Okay, move your feet. Thank you. There you go. Oh, welcome. Hey, don't lift the tracks up like that, girl. Ah, distraction, girl. Okay, run those now. Oh no, Thomas is all by himself, and he's gonna crash into Ryan. Oh, Ryan has. They both have been derailed.
Thomas goes
They both have been derailed.
in the park.
Yeah. Alright, that's gonna be lots of fun. And Zoe's up to her naughtiness too. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye, Connor.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Joey. Alright.